So conceptually, here's how it looks. In this case, we're going to be looking at a machine guarding equipment enclosure. A user, which could be sales or engineering, or maybe even somebody from operations, can interact with DriveWorks in one of a couple ways. In this case, the engineer is interacting with the DriveWorks add-in that's sitting on top of SOLIDWORks. What they do is they fill out a form that's been predefined with the appropriate logic. This is capturing things like the overall size of the enclosure, the materials, the options, whether this enclosure needs doors or not doors, and the type of attachment this enclosure is going to use to attach to the shop floor. From there, automatically in the background, it takes those pre-configured variables and it starts generating our downstream content. In this case, it rebuilds and recreates the parts for this project, including sub-assemblies, top-level assemblies, and all appropriate bills of materials. It then pumps all this information directly into our file management system, in this case, SOLIDWORKS PDM. The benefit of this is I can reuse this same existing project and configure it over and over. One of my favorite things that I always hear is customers say, "Oh, we do the same thing over and over." And then they follow that up with, "But we change it just a little bit the next time we sell it." DriveWorks gives you the ability to automate that exact process. Here we can see that we've reopened the same project, turned it into a new project, and put all of the new variables into that project to generate new content for project B. So what is the output, you ask? Our output is where this becomes very powerful. We can truncate that time of what might be days or weeks down to maybe a few hours or maybe even minutes. In this case, we saw fully built SOLIDWORKS models with integrated drawings that are following our system standards, which is one of my favorite things that DriveWorks does. Is although we have a lot of team members on our team, we want to be able to produce consistent branded drawings for our organization that all come out and look like they came from the same person. DriveWorks provides that platform to automatically do that. Along with that, we got all of our bill of material and our manufacturing data for our machine shop. That all follows the same engineering standards and a proven baseline of quality every single time.